Sorting is one of those things every Python program eventually needs. Python gives you two tools to do it, .sort method and sorted function. They look almost identical, but the difference between them will save you from bugs later. Let's break it down line by line. We create a list called numbers. Lists are mutable in Python, meaning we can change them in place after they are created. That's important for what happens next. This calls the .sort method directly on the list object. When we print, we see 1, 2, 5, 5, 6, 9. The original list itself has been changed. Its identity in memory is the same, only the internal order has changed. Notice there is no assignment here. We don't write numbers equal to numbers.sort. That's because .sort doesn't return a new list. It rearranges the existing list in memory and returns none. If you accidentally assign it, you will wipe out your list with none. Now we move on to sorted function. Here we have the same starting list. Sorted function is a built-in function. It is not a method. It takes any iterable, a list, a tuple, a string, even a dictionary, and returns a brand new sorted list. It never touches the original list. This prints the new sorted list. And this prints the original, still unsorted, 5, 2, 9, 1, 5, 6. Nothing changed here. Sorted function left it alone. One thing to notice is that .sort method only works on list, but sorted function works on any iterable. It returns a new list, and the original stays unchanged. Now let's learn about reverse parameter. Here we have a list of exam scores, and we call sorted function again, but this time we pass a second argument called reverse equals to true. By default, reverse is false, meaning ascending order. Setting it to true flips the comparison, so Python sorts from highest to lowest instead. This prints 99, 88, 72, 61, 45 with the highest score first. We can also use reverse equals to true with .sort method. Now we move on to key parameter. By default, Python sorts using the natural ordering of the values. For example, numbers by its values, large and small, strings with alphabetical order. But what if you want to sort by something else, like the length of a word or the last letter of a name? That's what the key parameter is for. Here we create a list of strings with different lengths. When you print by underscore length, the result will be fig, kiwi, apple, and banana, from the shortest to the longest. Let's recap. .sort method changes a list in place and returns nothing. Sorted function returns a brand new list and works on any iterable. Reverse equals to true flips the order. Key lets you sort by anything. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.